So, first ride of the season, baby. Just hopping off the trail now. This is up by Lookout Pass. The ski hill is actually just down that road. This isn't a secret spot or anything. You can go a bunch of different spots once you start splitting off up here, but it's a great spot. We're gonna check the snow out. That's a good sign though. Nice layers on that little cat there. The kit's holding up. Gonna hit these trails. They're a little woofed out. I don't know. We'll test off the trail a little bit and see. We'll see how much snow there actually is out there. I'd rather not bend any spindles or you know, go over the bars or anything quite yet. So hopefully we can get into some decent snow, play around a little bit. Right now I'm just solo, so try not to get too crazy. So we got this monster tree right in the trail. Looks like at least somebody else went around. Oh, fuck. That's one thing that is feeling a little iffy right now is the old clutch. I think I should have checked that. Bro. That's fucking deep. That'll do. It's pretty fun. The Riot, you know, it seems to be chewing up pretty good. This snow, like I said, it's, aside from this top 3-4 inches, it is super wet and heavy. So once you bust through and get stuck, you're digging out some heavy stuff. I'm trenching pretty damn good. Just about got stuck there and high-sided her. Fuck. Some heavy shit, and there's not a whole lot of people that have been through, so not much of a trail. People just basically blasting through shit because they haven't seen the trail either. Dude, just straight up snow plowing. Straight up. I don't know, I'm gonna head back and just play around on the trail back. That's about it. Dude. This front end dives like a motherfucker.